Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video a quick unboxing of the Nokia 7.2. So let us start. So first of all, remove the plastics. I've removed it already. So let's open it. And here, surprise, surprise, we have the phone, the Nokia 7.2 with many cameras, very good cameras by the way. And yeah, but let us have a look what's next to in it. The pin to remove the SIM card tray. So if you want to have it, just remove the plastic here and so on. And then what is nice, you have many instructions. So it's just a small instructions. So what is what for, what are the buttons for, how to insert a SIM card and so on. And you have that in many languages. Yeah, if you want to learn something new, you will have here the opportunity for. And yeah, then here we have the other stuff like headset with an audio jack. This is very nice. So many phones don't have that anymore. Nokia will give it to you. And also a plug-in to charge the phone in combination here with a USB cable, USB-C by the way, and you can also transfer with this cable data to your computer if you want to. That's it. Okay. I think but it's good. You have all the stuff you need, and yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. Would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. Would be a pleasure to see you again, and maybe until next time. Ciao.